You gave me no time to prepare.
Oh my god, it matches. How cute.
I did that on purpose.
Hi, everybody. What's up?
Welcome back.
Welcome back to
Wait, I thought you were
my
gonna
house.
match. First of all, this is crooked. Yay!
I forgot.
Amanda, why can't I rock this as good as you?
We're both trying to wear the same hairstyle.
So that you'll confuse us.
I mean, we're different skin colors and hair colors, but... Oh, no, it's too hot in here. Okay, hi guys. So what are we doing today? Ashley is my best friend, Ashley.
We're gonna do our makeup, and then it's gonna be a transformation.
Yeah, we're gonna wear wigs too. And I'm not gonna tell you what colors. It's gonna be a surprise. Okay? Okay, what are you starting with?
The makeup.
Okay, but like,
Specifically?
let's start with, you wanna start with
Your dog just fart?
it's so hot.
I hate my hair.
Stop.
Should I just shave it?
We match.
Comment down below if I should
Look
shave
how
it.
pretty your hair is, so long.
It's so dirty that you've just revealed the bird's nest.
Oh, we didn't even, okay, so yeah, we're gonna do our makeup, then
You
we're
didn't
gonna
even
put
do
on
your
our
thing.
wigs.
You didn't do the hi friends.
Oh, hi friends.
Hi friends. I
Hi
thought it was
friends.
this thing. We're such a mess. Oh god.
Okay,
Okay.
we're gonna start with our eyeballs, I think.
Yeah.
You don't have to do the same thing at the same time. You just let them know what you're doing.
Me too?
Yeah, you let them know what you're doing. Let them know what you're doing.
I'm just priming my face at the moment. This brush is dirty.
Do you guys like 7 rings? I do.
We're fans.
We're pretty big fans. I'm going to her concert.
What is that again?
It's in May.
Ooh.
I'm concealing my veiny eyes with Tarte Shape Tape right now.
I'm just setting it with powder.
You don't conceal?
I don't really have a routine. Like, I don't know what I'm doing, so I just
Yes, you do. You know what you're doing.
do that.
Okay, now I'm just gonna take...
I didn't realize I was covering my face all the time. I'm like this.
No. I'm gonna take this palette, the Clover palette.
Oh, it always works.
From Too Faced.
Modern Renaissance, ABH. That's where it's at. Are you cleaning up the towel?
Yeah.
I do that too.
So, and I'm gonna take the color Fur Baby. It's like a little brown, warm brown shade. Just gonna put that in my crease. Because we're gonna do a blue lip.
Well,
I mean, I'm gonna do.
yeah.
I'm gonna do a wing now, guys. That's how simple the eyes are gonna be, because I don't wanna have a blue lip and like crazy shit happening to my eyes at the same time.
Right. I'm not sure if this looks good, but fingers crossed it works in the end.
Pink! I like it.
I probably should have put on foundation, but since I'm gonna do foundation on my birthday, I didn't want to start breaking out early.
Her birthday is coming and we're gonna wear these wigs on her birthday because
It's a wig party.
yeah, the theme is wigging out.
Mm-hmm.
So we're just gonna try to figure out how to put on wigs because I have no idea. What's your next step there, buddy?
I have a lot of face issues going on right now. I'm like breaking out. I have dark spots, scars, so I'm gonna cover that up now. Here I go.
So satisfying when people cover up pimples and stuff.
Oh well, prepare to be satisfied, friends. Prepare. We're not having a lot of great conversation right now.
No. Because I get kind of focused.
Yeah. I'm just layering this bitch up because I'm not gonna use foundation. You know what we need to buy for me?
What?
The Maybelline powder
Oh, it's so
that you
good.
use.
I don't
It's so full
have
coverage
it right now, but
Oh, well we could.
it's so good.
And I need to go with you because you know how to match my face.
It just helps when they have testers. Have you ever been to the drugstore and you want to find your color and you can't find it because there's no testers?
Yeah,
So,
we hate that.
yes.
So
I hate that.
Amanda has a really good eye. What is that called? When you spot someone's face color?
When I spot someone's face color?
Like what you did, you face matched me. You foundation
Color match?
Color match, thank you.
You're welcome.
She color matched me without having been there.
Oh, I thought you were there. No, yeah, you're right.
You did it off of photos. You were like, she's really yellow, and she's really yellow, so.
You're really yellow and really yellow.
I'm like a Simpson character.
My back hurts.
Oh,
this foundation is the best. I'm using the Sleek Makeup Life Proof Medium to Full Coverage Sweat Proof Oil Free Foundation. So if you have oily skin, like me.
Oh, I just dropped it all on your sweatshirt.
It's really the best.
There we go, send her.
So yeah, I love it. And it's really, blah, blah, blah. It has really full coverage.
There's gonna be a lot of zoom ins in this video, I can tell.
Yeah, I know, but you don't make faces. I'm like the only one that makes faces.
Yeah, but I do little behind the scenes things, so it's gonna be really fun.
You're like,
I'm so sorry. I just don't want to
I do really behind the scenes things. Hey guys, it's me,
I just
Ashley.
didn't want to be on top of you in your space. Stop!
Putting Tarte shape under my eyeballs now.
So you conceal after you like do your foundation?
Yeah. I don't know why. I've always done it like that.
Sometimes I do all three. I do it before, then I do my foundation, then I do it after. I'm just trying to give color to myself now because I look extremely white on camera. I need to stop.
What happened? What happened?
I messed up really
Let me see.
bad. No, not like I'm.
Let me see.
No.
You act like Jeffree Star or something.
Ew.
I'm not gonna judge you. Why do you say ew? You love him.
No, I don't. What the heck?
Who loves him then? Oh, Megan loves him. My cousin.
I'm not your.
Why don't you like
Megan.
Jeffree?
I don't know. His videos are really long. I had to get like over it midway.
Who's your favorite YouTuber?
You?
No, you can't pick me.
Jenna.
Jenna Marbles. Okay.
Because she does everything.
She has beauty
funny.
videos.
She's a YouTuber.
Yeah.
She does like artsy shit.
Yeah.
I'm for it.
Okay, but what about like strictly beauty people? Do you watch any? I think you would say
Not religiously. No, I just subscribed.
Okay, but
I'm
like,
a new sister.
you know, the Sister Squad, like with Emma Chamberlain and the Dolan twins.
Yeah.
Like it's fun to watch.
Sometimes I get like really hyper and I can't handle it.
They get hyper?
Yeah, they get crazy.
Have you met yourself?
You're almost done.
Fine, I have to figure out how to put on a wig. Anyway, we're trying to be healthy in 2019, right?
We're almost a month in and
Putting on Rihanna highlighter.
it's getting difficult. I'm gonna put on my Becca highlighter. She's cute.
Who cleans their brushes here?
Not me.
Not me. So then I'm gonna take the Voluminous Superstar X Fiber. Yo, but what brand is this?
I feel like it's Maybelline because they never put their names on.
L'Oreal.
Damn. After I put all that confidence into my answer.
Guys, we're gonna do our lip now. Our lips now. She doesn't like when I say lip because we have two. We have 1, 2, you know? This is the color I'll be using. It's like the same color. No, it's not. It's darker than this, but you know, same idea. And I'm gonna be putting this lip gloss from Oh Hi, which is their Urban Outfitters makeup brand, and it has like little pink and blue sparkles.
It's so cute. Oh, you're gonna put that on top?
Yeah, it's gonna look like
Cute.
I don't know how we're gonna eat Chipotle with all this.
Makeup.
Well, yeah, you're probably gonna be fine. Oh no, that's pigmented. Tell them what you're using.
I'm using Buxom lip gloss. I don't know what the name is.
We're gonna put on our wigs now.
And let the battery charge.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Because the camera's dying. So we're gonna have different color hair very soon.
Very.
Hi guys. So we're gonna go to Chipotle now. I'm not really that excited.
Wait, show off your white tank top.
Well, yeah, we're wearing the same outfit right now. Oh, and we're wearing Fila's too. Am I showing them?
Yeah.
So, yes. We got these wigs on Amazon too. So if you guys ever just want to experiment with a new hair color,
try it out first.
yeah, Amazon. Actually, I think I'm gonna link my wig down below if you guys wanna.
I'll send you mine too.
Yes.
Link it.
This one is like super long past my belly button, so that's pretty crazy.
Mine's around my waist. I'm 5'3" for reference.
Yeah, we're the same.
I don't know.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay guys, so this is Ashley and this is me, Stephanie and Spartacus from Lazytown. Guys, we're back from Chipotle. As soon as I got out of the car, an old lady kind of like made a face at me, and I think that's the worst thing that happened. Like,
Oh my God, the sun, hold on, the sun is killing it right now.
I know. But like, I don't know, like a girl told her boyfriend, obviously,
like, look behind.
yeah, and then he like looked at us and he was like,
There
I don't know.
a lot of stares.
Yeah, like people stare, but I don't think it was that bad.
It wasn't that bad because I mean I think people are desensitized to it because everybody wears a wig, but
like on
suddenly
Instagram
when you see
and stuff. Like in
like-
person is different because I know a lot of people wear it on Instagram, but
yeah,
in real life people are kind of like, I don't know.
they weren't fans.
Yeah,
Except for one girl.
Yes, one girl, we were in line and she like tapped me on the shoulder and she asked me where we got our wigs from.
She's so cute.
Yeah, she was really nice. She said they looked really good, and yeah, that made me happy. It made me feel less awkward.
Yeah, because we wanted to die a little bit.
Yeah, so we got it to go. We didn't even eat it there. We have it here now. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Go like and comment.
Yes, please let us know what your favorite part of the video was. And I'll see you guys very, 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 very soon.
Wow, that was good.